channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and of course I am back with another headband wig review. This is another synthetic wig. I did review a similar wig, but that is a different company. This wig that I have on today is from Beyond Beauty. If you guys are not familiar with my channel, I have worked with Beyond Beauty before. Not necessarily wigs, mostly their passion twist and spring twist hair. So of course I will link those videos down below in case you are interested in those. But they reached out to me again and asked me to review their synthetic headband wig. So if you guys are curious to hear about my thoughts and opinions and everything else about this wig, then keep watching. From the previous clip, I did show you the construction of the wig. Of course, this wig has 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the front, and 1 in the back. And of course, it has that black strap where you can put the headband on top. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can. And of course, this is the headband that they sent me. It's yellow, it's really cute, so I do like it. So again, this is from Beyond Beauty. This is their body wave synthetic headband wig. This is 24 inches and this is in the color 1B, of course. It retails for $26.99. Of course, right now they have a save an extra 5% off coupon, so you can use that to save you just a tad bit of little money. So let's see, I'm trying to look for the density of this wig. I can't find it. I can't find it. So I can't find the density of this wig, but it's pretty good. It reminds me of the other one that I have. It's really good. Once again, it is synthetic, but it does not look synthetic at all. Like, that's what I like about some synthetic wigs. They can be synthetic, but do not look synthetic at all, okay? It don't even function like a synthetic wig, okay? It's not really tangled up or anything. I did brush it out a little bit. I didn't really notice any shedding, but of course my brush has other hair shedding in it from another wig, so I wouldn't even know anyways. But yeah, it's really cute. It's really bouncy, as y'all can see. Like, body wave texture hair is really cute, and especially cute in these headband wigs. Now I think I have maybe like 3 or 4 body wave headband wigs, so, but this is really cute. I really do like it. So unfortunately, I don't know what the density is with this wig, unless they send me some info to put in the description box besides the link, then you guys can check down below for that. But if not, I do apologize for not knowing what the density is. But as y'all can see, this is giving body, like body yaddy 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 yaddy. Like, it's really giving body. Like, I really do like that. So of course, I'm gonna show you guys the all around, okay? So here's how the front looks. I'm on my tippy toe, well no, I'm not. I scoot all the way back to the wall. So this is how it looks in the front. Again, it is 24 inches. This is how it looks on the side. This is how it looks in the back. And this is how it looks on the other side. So really cute, really bouncy, you know, it's giving. I really do like it. So I want to thank Beyond Beauty for reaching out to me again, asking me to review their headband wig. I believe this is the first headband wig that I have reviewed and received from them. So that is super cool. So you guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about the wig as far as the hair texture, the length, all that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. And of course, share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. And that is pretty much it for this video. I will see you guys in my next one.